Yakult in the European Union and the UK. Yakult has a factory in Holland, which is a great advantage to them because it gives them access to all the 26 European countries, plus the UK. It means that when they move the products around the 26 countries, they pay no duty and there's no problems with the borders. When Yakult sell into the UK, they have to sell to 4 large supermarket chains. These 4 companies hold 60 to 70% of food distribution in the UK. Remaining food distribution is via independent stores, so again Yakult will sell to these companies. But the 4 big British supermarkets in the UK are Sainsbury's, Tesco, Morrison's and Asda. So if we go to the next slide, let's talk about the Sainsbury's supermarket. On the right you see a picture of a typical store entrance. These stores are huge, with a huge footfall. The picture on the left shows a typical aisle with a whole variety of goods available for sale. If you go to the next slide and you see the small section for Yakult. Yakult is sold in a section that sells healthcare yogurt. The yogurt market is very large. The amount of space for yogurt is very large, but because health is very important, the supermarkets keep a section for healthy yogurt, and this is where Yakult is very strong. There are many competitors for the health drink, but Yakult stands out because they have very strong advertising and the packaging is very good. Yakult is the only company that has a pack of seven drinks, so they sell 1 drink for every day of the week. You can see the other competitors in the photo. The competitor prices you can see here on the next slide are all in packs. So Activa, for example, is selling a pack of 4. Actimel is selling a pack of 6. So the prices are very similar, and of course each competitor is watching each other's prices. But Yakult is very strong for the advertising. In Europe and in the UK, Yakult does not use the Yakult ladies like Japan. So they use TV advertising and magazine advertising. And here you can see by YouTube some of the advertising in the UK. If you go to the next slide, here's an advert for one of the competitors, Activa, in the Sunday Times magazine. The message here is, well, first of all, they're using the Sunday Times magazine, which is for the middle class, rich people who maybe can afford high price yogurt, like healthy yogurt. And the advertising theme is about health. So here you can say, love your gut. So healthy bacteria inside your gut. So the strategy is also for Yakult about health. They use 252 medical doctors and scientists. They really research in detail and highlight the medical benefits of Yakult. In Japan they can do this through Yakult ladies. In Europe and in the UK they do this through the advertising and then the packaging inside the stores. So Yakult has a very strong position in the UK and the European Union.